guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be reacting to the Xbox mini fridge. And, oh my god. It's real. It's the official one because it has almost 5 million subscribers. Okay, this is the official one. I saw this on TikTok. I didn't really believe it. And now I do. Oh my god. I'm sorry for wasting your guys' time, like 30 seconds. Like, let's look at the video now. Like, that's insane. It turns on. Oh my god, it turns on like an actual Xbox. World's most powerful mini fridge. Oh my god. That is actually cool. It's really happening. Oh my god. That is actually super cool. Holidays 2021. I know what I'm getting for Christmas. Now, I know what I'm getting for Christmas. Oh my god, this is cool. Oh my god. Okay. I have no words right now. That was insane. I hope you enjoyed that short little video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.